In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to create reading comprehension questions. So let's dive right in and get started on this wonderful journey of enhancing educational materials with the power of AI. First off, you'll want to open up your favorite web browser and head over to Google. Once you have Google open, in the search bar, simply type in ChatGPT. You'll see a list of search results pop up. Look for the official ChatGPT website and give that a click. This is where you will start your journey into generating some insightful questions. Now that you're on the ChatGPT site, find the plus sign on the page. Clicking on this will allow you to access different features, including the ability to add photos and files, which is what we need to do next. Go ahead and click on Add photos and files. Here's where the magic begins. You'll be prompted to select a file. Be it a book or a PDF file that you already have on hand, choose the one you wish to use as your source material. This step is crucial because this is the content from which ChatGPT will base its reading comprehension questions. After uploading your file, you'll want to prepare your prompt. This is where you guide ChatGPT on what type of questions you need. For instance, a helpful prompt might be, create 10 reading comprehension questions with answers that assess understanding of main ideas and key details from a given passage. By being specific in your prompt, you can ensure that ChatGPT understands exactly what kind of questions to generate, and this specificity offers more targeted and useful questions. Once your prompt is ready, it's time to submit it. Hit that submit button and let the magic of artificial intelligence work for you. ChatGPT will then process the information you've provided and generate a set of questions along with their answers. These questions can be wonderfully useful for educators, students, or anyone interested in crafting an educational experience centered around the content of the material you provided. And there you have it. You've just learned how to harness the power of ChatGPT to create reading comprehension questions. It's a process that's straightforward yet tremendously powerful. And now you have this remarkable tool at your fingertips to make learning more engaging and insightful. Thank you for tuning in, and remember to experiment with different types of materials and prompts to see what works best for you. Have a fantastic day and happy questioning!